You know that moment when your house stops feeling like plain walls and wires and starts reacting to you? Lights shift before you touch the switch. The shower already sets how you like it. Security quietly handles its job in the background. That's the level we're stepping in today's video, so make sure you stick around till the end, because these high-end gadgets on Amazon can change how your space works day to day, not just how it looks. All these mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 30, Chabatree Smart Board. These boards wirelessly share files via QR code with screen lock and USB password security, enhanced collaboration with educational and productivity apps, multi-touch support and adjustable smart pen tools, easily add media or browser content, erase, zoom, and pan intuitively. Enjoy professional video and audio quality with a 48 megapixel camera and 8 array microphone, ideal for online teaching and remote meetings. Number 29, Smart Shower 2. Stepping into a shower that's already at the right temperature just feels different. This matte black digital shower controller gives you steady control through a thermostatic valve that keeps the water consistent, so there are no sudden hot or cold surprises. The 2-outlet setup lets you manage multiple shower fixtures at the same time, and it also connects with common smart home systems, so you can adjust settings from your phone or by voice. Number 28, Core Plus. Most power banks are mainly for charging phones or tablets. The Core Plus goes a step further with a 200-watt AC socket, which can handle devices like laptops, camera chargers, and other small electronics when you're off the grid. It has a 27,000 mAh battery, and in addition to the AC outlet, it comes with 3 USB-C ports for wired charging. There's also wireless charging for your phone and a separate charging pad specifically for an Apple Watch. Another interesting feature is its reload system. The battery section can be detached and swapped with a fresh module in just a few seconds. Number 27, Chirp Contour Massage Bed. Picture this, it's 2 a.m., you're wide awake, and your back is throwing a full tantrum. The Chirp Contour is like having a mini massage setup waiting for you at home. It mixes spinal stretching, rolling massage, and heat in one setup, so you just lie down and let it do its thing. You get 3 rollers you can swap out, from soft and chill to deep tissue that really digs in, plus adjustable neck massagers and heat. You can tweak how you like. No arm workout like with a massage gun, just press a button and relax. Number 26, Ergonomic Mesh Office Chair. The Sihu Ergonomic Chair adapts to your posture from head to toe with an adjustable headrest, lumbar support, and reclining range from 90 to 126 degrees. Its split backrest and waterfall edge seat relieve pressure and improve circulation for long hours. Built with a reinforced aluminum base, dual frame back, and silent casters, it supports up to 330 pounds. Certified by BIFMA and SGS, it combines safety, durability, and all-day comfort for work, gaming, or home use. Number 25, Security Flood Light. This smart floodlight does more than just light up your space. It comes with a built-in Wi-Fi amplifier that can extend your signal up to 100 feet, helping your connection stay strong around the house or yard. The 1080p camera with night vision keeps video clear even after dark, and the built-in microphone and speaker let you hear and talk through it. With IP65 weather protection, it handles rain and dust easily. You can also set an adjustable timer so the light switches off automatically when you want. Number 24, iGulu F1. This smart brewing system uses Fermentec control to manage temperature, pressure, and time, with a range of 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 24 pounds per square inch. Beginners can brew craft drinks in 3 steps with 9 preset recipes, including beer, kombucha, and hard cider. RFID automation handles brewing effortlessly. Optional CO2 keeps beverages fresh for 30 days, while the built-in air pump ensures perfect fermentation conditions for up to 24 hours. Number 23, modern meter box cover. Add style and function with this decorative meter box cover, featuring a modern flower pattern to hide unsightly panels. Made from durable, lightweight PS material, it measures 40 by 30 centimeters to fit most standard breaker boxes. The horizontal wall-mounted design keeps it flush against the wall for a clean, seamless look. Easy to install with standard hardware, it transforms plain panels into stylish ones. Number 22, Infinity Game Table. This digital table brings classic board games into a whole new vibe. You can jump into Monopoly, Scrabble, Candyland, Yahtzee, and a bunch more, all with lively graphics and subtle haptic feedback that makes every move feel real. The surface is tough too, resistant to spills and bumps, so you don't have to panic over snacks or exciting game nights. The legs can be removed, which makes it easier to set up wherever you want. You can also connect online and play with friends around the world with up to 6 players at the same time. Number 21, RFID Smart Pet Feeder. This smart feeder uses RFID tags to allow only registered pets to eat, preventing food stealing in multi-pet households. It offers free mode, 3 or 4 daily meals, or custom mode with up to 12 time slots. Powered by a wall adapter or batteries, it remains reliable during outages. The LCD screen and voice recorder simplify operation, and its removable bowl supports wet and dry food and is ideal for multiple pets. Number 20, Hatch Restore 3. It helps establish healthy sleep habits with a calming bedtime routine and screen-free design. Customize your environment with lights and audio, including meditative gold and unconventional meditations. Hatch Plus subscription. Features include 80+ sleep sounds, dimmable clock, sunrise alarm, and one-touch routine control. Curate routines or create your own through the Hatch Sleep app for iOS and Android. Number 19, Save Your Heated Blanket. This cordless heated shawl delivers targeted warmth with a luxurious 260 grams per square meter wool blend exterior and 90 grams per square meter soft lining. Quick 3-second carbon nano far infrared heating and NTC temperature control ensure consistent, comfortable warmth. Its large 53 by 49 inch size wraps shoulders, knees, while 3 heat settings provide customizable comfort. Number 18, Scrolling Ring Remote. The Ring Scroller Remote enables hands-free video control and ebook navigation on iPhone and iPad. It works in both landscape and portrait modes, offering swipe, volume and play, pause functions. With a minimalist 3-button design and rechargeable battery lasting up to 2 weeks, it ensures comfortable operation. Number 17, 7 Drawers Dresser Chests. This vintage 7-drawer wooden dresser combines a white lacquer finish with a brown wood top for timeless style. Made from FSC certified wood, it is durable, scratch resistant, and stable thanks to widened legs. Each drawer slides smoothly on metal ball-bearing rails, while double-coated handles ensure easy opening and closing. Excellent for bedrooms or living rooms, it keeps clothes and belongings neatly organized while adding a classic, charming touch. Number 16, FoldiMate. Make laundry effortless with FoldiMate, the intelligent device that quickly folds and presses your clothes. Designed to save time and reduce daily chores, it transforms your routine by handling tedious tasks in seconds, keeping your wardrobe neat and organized with minimal effort. Number 15, Owl Labs Meeting Owl 3. The Meeting Owl 3 delivers seamless hybrid collaboration with 360 degrees, 1080p video and audio coverage up to 18 feet. Its Owl intelligence system automatically focuses on active speakers, engaging remote participants. Plug-and-play USB setup gets you in a meeting within 6 minutes, with device management via the Nest. Expand coverage for larger spaces using multiple meeting owls, owl bars, expansion mics, or the whiteboard owl to create a fully connected hybrid room. Number 14, EBO Air 2. This is an interactive robotic companion that entertains and educates. Equipped with advanced AI, it recognizes faces, follows commands, and responds with lifelike movements and sounds. Compact and ideal for home use, it offers games, educational activities, and playful interactions. With long-lasting battery life and intuitive controls, the Air 2 combines fun, learning, and companionship in one smart, engaging device. Number 13, DeLonghi True Brew Drip. This coffee maker delivers freshly ground coffee with its built-in conical burr grinder. One-touch brewing and bean extract technology ensures ensure each cup is perfectly ground, dosed, and brewed. It offers 6 cup sizes from 3 ounces espresso to 24 ounces and 5 brew styles, including light, gold, and espresso style. Enjoy a customizable cafe-quality coffee experience in the comfort of your home every time. Number 12. Yoolax Motorized Blinds. Yoolax Motorized blackout shades offer durable, waterproof, and dust-proof vinyl construction for long-lasting performance. They block light, reduce noise, provide insulation, and ensure privacy. Perfect for any room. Smart Zigbee or Bluetooth motors work with select Alexa devices or the Yoolax Home app, while the rechargeable battery lasts 4 to 6 months. The Lightwhirl remote controls multiple blinds with group and precise adjustments, making window management convenient, safe, and fully automated. Number 11. Smart Weather Station. This weather station lets you track home and backyard conditions with a vibrant TFT color display. Its wireless sensor array measures wind speed, direction, temperature, humidity, rainfall, UV, and solar radiation. Compatible with both imperial and metric units, it includes calibration options and Wi-Fi connectivity to share data with the global personal weather network. Number 10. Personal Safety Door Alarm. BirdieBox offers a portable door alarm with a loud siren, strobe light, and built-in flashlight, complete with USB charging cord, multiple command strips, and user manual. Easy to install on any door, it alerts and deters intruders when opened. Small in size, TSA friendly, and rechargeable. This versatile security device is best for hotels or home use, providing peace of mind for travel or dorm protection. Number 9. Cooluli 20-liter mini fridge. The Cooluli mini fridge is a compact and portable thermoelectric cooler, warmer with a 20-liter capacity. Featuring a digital thermostat for precise temperature control, it can store drinks, snacks, food, and skincare products. Its sleek glass front design makes it excellent for use at home rooms or on the go for road trips and vacations, combining style and versatility in one compact unit. Number 8. SereneLife infrared patio heater. This outdoor patio heater uses high-efficiency carbon fiber elements to deliver instant infrared warmth in seconds, with adjustable height for flexible use. Safety features include a 360-degree tip-over switch, overheat protection, and a protective mesh guard. Energy efficient and odorless, it operates without gas or propane for environmentally friendly heating. Number 7. VEVOR Push Lawn Sweeper. This hand-push lawn sweeper uses thickened brushes for stronger, more efficient cleaning, capturing up to 80% of debris in a single pass with its 21-inch sweeping width. Adjustable brush height lets you clean different terrains without tools. The large 3.5 cubic foot hopper bag holds more grass and leaves, reducing emptying time. Designed for convenience, quick clips allow easy setup and compact storage in a shed or garage after use. Number 6. NutriChef Vacuum Sealer. This vacuum sealer helps save time and money by preserving food freshness and reducing freezer burn. Its fully automatic design includes soft-touch digital controls and LED indicators for easy use. With 2 sealing modes for dry and moist foods, it ensures proper preservation based on food type. Lab tested for quality, it can extend food shelf life up to 5 times longer than regular storage bags or containers, making meal prep simpler and more efficient. Number 5. Automatic Window Cleaner Robot. This AI-powered window cleaning robot delivers precise navigation and deep cleaning while avoiding frames and obstacles. With strong 3000 Pascal suction, a safety rope, and power-off protection, it ensures secure operation on vertical glass surfaces. A 70 milliliter tank and pressurized spray system achieve over 99% cleaning coverage, while multiple modes handle light dust or stubborn stains. Controlled by a simple remote, it starts, sprays, and returns automatically, making window cleaning safe and effortless. Number 4. Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. The Holickvi Dryer Lint vacuum attachment helps clear built-up lint from dryer vents, improving safety and performance. Its flexible hose reaches deep, narrow spaces, making it perfect for cleaning behind appliances and other hard-to-reach areas. Compatible with most vacuum cleaners, it installs easily and works efficiently. Regular use helps prevent dryer vent fires caused by lint buildup while reducing the need for expensive professional cleaning services, making making it a practical home essential. Number 3. OhGeni Queen Air Mattress. This mattress combines comfort, durability, and convenience with a powerful 110-volt pump that inflates or deflates in 3 minutes. Its air coil system supports the body evenly, reducing pressure and preventing sinking. Made from thicker PVC for long-lasting strength, it supports up to 650 pounds and features a stable, non-slip base. Number 2. Smart Compressor Dehumidifier. This Energy Star dehumidifier covers up to 4,500 square feet and removes up to 80 pints of moisture daily for efficient humidity control. Smart Wi-Fi and touch panel controls let you adjust settings, monitor humidity, and activate child lock easily. With ultra-quiet operation at 45 decibels, it's ideal for bedrooms and offices. Choose from custom, comfort, or continuous modes to maintain healthy humidity levels and quickly reduce excess moisture and damp areas. Number 1. Motion Sensor Trash Can. The EKO automatic trash can uses advanced motion sensor technology for effortless touch-free lid operation. Its anti-fingerprint stainless steel finish maintains a clean, modern look while resisting smudges. Designed for durability and style, it fits seamlessly into any home. The no-liner design increases capacity by 25%, giving you more space for waste. Powered by 2 AA batteries, it delivers up to 8 months of reliable use, combining convenience with eco-friendly efficiency. So that's all for now. If one of these stood out to you, let me know in the comments which one you'd actually bring into your setup, and if you're into smart tech, make sure to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.